Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Today I'm outside on a beautiful day here in New Jersey to test the stabilization capabilities of the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now there's a couple of ways I can test this technology. I could just put the camera on a stick and wander through the woods a little bit, maybe walk up a hill and walk down a hill, but that doesn't really test anything. So I thought, what better way to test the stabilization than to strap the camera to the front of my car with a DSLR camera next to it and drive down some of the bumpiest roads in New Jersey. And believe me, we've got a ton of bumpy roads. I know of a lot of fire roads and back roads that have hills and valleys and all kinds of potholes in them. So I'm gonna actually drive around New Jersey. I'm gonna show you what the footage looks like. And the best part is I've got a non-stabilized DSLR camera on the same rig with the Osmo Pocket 3. So I'll be able to compare the two side by side and you can see just how well this product works. Now the reason it works this well is because a lot of cameras out there talk about stabilization, and really what it comes down to is the ability of the camera to sense movement through its gyroscopic sensors and then the algorithm behind deciding which way the camera is going to move to counteract that movement. And DJI's been in the stabilization game for a long time, so I'm sure they've got this down. Let's take a look at what the footage looks like, and then I'll come back at the end and give you some of my impressions of it. But boy, am I excited to test this camera. So stay tuned. I'll shoot some footage, I'll put a montage together, and then you can decide for yourself. Okay, that's all I've got for today, and I hope you found this video helpful. I think the stabilization that the Osmo Pocket 3 provides is absolutely amazing, and it's because of a combination of both the algorithm and the sensing system inside the camera. That gyroscopic system lets the software know that the camera's being moved, and then the algorithm kicks in and anticipates the movement, counteracts that by moving the gimbal in the opposite direction to keep the footage incredibly smooth. And I drove over some really bumpy roads. I put it on a skateboard, and that last shot, in case you haven't figured it out, was on the top of a drone. And I did that just to throw you, so I hope you enjoyed that. But that's pretty much it for today. I think they've done an amazing job with this new camera, and I'll have a lot more clips coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, happy flying.